Anyone living in a city probably knows the hot summer days and how the best shade is found under the trees lining the streets, or even better, under a tree in a park with cool grass underneath. Tree canopies cool the air not only by shading, but also by transpiring water. Trees transport water from soil through their stem to the leaves, where small pores release water back to air. At the same time, water changes phase from liquid to vapor, which reduces temperature. If a mature tree on a street releases about 100 liters of water per day, this can cool the air by 1 to 2 degrees. Tree species, age, and location all affect its potential to transpire and cool the air. The location is important because it determines how much water is available for transpiration. For example, in a park, most of the rainwater enters the soil and is accessible for tree roots. On streets, where trees are surrounded by paved surfaces, a part of the rainwater flows off to sewers, where it is no longer available for the trees. We wanted to find out how much the location affects the tree's ability to transpire water and cool the air, and whether the trees on streets or in parks experience drought. To estimate the transpiration, we install a pair of needles into the tree stem. One needle is heated, and they both measure temperature. With this temperature difference, we can calculate transpiration. To know if the trees suffer from drought and how it may affect their transpiration, we measure both soil water content and leaf water potential. The leaf water potential describes how tightly the leaves hold onto water, and it can indicate the experienced drought. These measurements cover 4 tree species that are common in the city of Montreal, along with 3 different locations: streets, large park, and a public square in the city center. This research will help us to understand the limitations for the life of urban trees, and to plan their management so that they can keep on cooling the air even on a hot summer day. This is also how we can make the life in cities more comfortable, both for the inhabitants and for their precious trees.